Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Xauusd Marcus Low Power here, and I'm back again with another market analysis. Uh, I think from now on, I'm just gonna try to drop the videos on a Monday night because it's a more, what can I say, more precise analysis because we have Monday's price action to look at and uh, waiting for Tuesday business days. So yeah. I'm just gonna go through the DXY and go through gold and see what we have and see what we might expect coming into tomorrow, Tuesday. Um, Last week when I did my analysis, I had seen on Monday night it looked as if DXY was gonna break this order block and invalidate it. So we're looking for it to come into here, but on second glance, we saw that the DXY respected this order block, fully rejected out, and this order block has successfully held price. So looking at this, I'm expecting the DXY to start this week to have some sort of bearish movement and to start see bearish movement, the DXY, because this order block that we have, you see on the lower time frame that it held perfectly. Right, if we also introduce our trend lines and trying to adjust the trend lines, because before we had this trend line that was here, and you know how with trend lines, they are very subjective and you have to continuously monitor and adjust to new price. So looking at new price, this could be our new trend line. We could now see, we can probably expect movement to the downside here, something like that. If you look at price within this order block right here, so this green candle is the one that's giving us this order block. The price came in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is day 6 within this order block, and I'm expecting maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow we do have CPI 330. We can see some sort of volatility to start moving, giving us direction. So this is the DXY. This is what we're seeing. So tomorrow, 3:30, we can see CPI. Hopefully, we can get some volatility to start to move bearish. Uh, Gold and the DXY, yeah, it's been a tough first quarter to the year. January, we're now almost mid-Feb, and there hasn't been really any movement in the market, but hopefully, uh, we can start getting some movement pretty soon. If we go to gold, looking at gold right now, like I had said before, I'm still sticking to my analysis. This was my previous high on the H4. This was my previous low. I had a pin engulf right here. A pin engulf is when price just uh, spikes above the previous high, which for me signals a trade book play up that I have BOS SGB. So right now I'm still looking for buys on gold. Looking for buys on gold in line with my sells on the DXY. That's my bias. Uh, However, looking at this, I'm expecting tomorrow maybe gold to move a bit lower into here, and then we can get some sort of reversal pattern and then start moving to the upside. However, also can wait. We also can wait for just a break of this bullish flag pattern that's kind of forming and a buy here. And also, if the market does come to cross up here, we can also look to buy there. So you have two entries right here, right here. But for me, I'll say three because I would like to enter in this zone here, enter here, and then enter here. Uh, Anywhere along this path, if I get bearish flag, bullish flag patterns, I will look to also still scale in with the move. If I get rally base rally, come back to base, I'll also look to enter on those sort of moves. Yeah. So basically, that's that for gold and DXY. It's nothing major, still the same thing we've been looking for, but yeah, it's nothing major. That's the analysis. If you look at the market conditions for 2024, this is 2024 market conditions. Literally, the market is sideways, no movement. So yeah, when the market does this, you know that you're expecting some good moves soon. Our strategy does work better when the market is trending. So right now we're just stuck, and it's just a lesson in itself as a trader to be able to identify consolidation faster before you blow your account up. So yeah, that's what I have. If we look at the news, okay, this is the sentiment. The sentiment is still against us, but that's fine. Uh, it's just a tool that we use to boost our confidence with the setup. But even if the sentiment is not with us, we'll see what happens tomorrow. If you look at the news tomorrow, 3:30, so hopefully maybe we'll get some entries around 4:30 if the news is happening at 3:30. Give it about an hour to settle down, and then we can have our movement. But yeah, that's all from me. Mr. Zhao USD here, Marcus Willpower, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this video was informative. If you did find some value from it, please like the video, please leave a comment. Yeah, this is what I do, man. This is what I love. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bless.